fuck me. Player shoot. Hold on, I'm gonna go outside.
We're just doing our job.
It's a bouncer. He's doing a hell of a job. All right, man. The best bouncer in Stockholm. He just kicked out Brandon. Bragging. They said no.
Yeah, I know.
They said no.
I just want an explanation.
But no.
They just say you're too drunk.
They think you're too drunk.
But
Like
he's
in
not.
Norway, I usually get an explanation.
Yeah. They just think you're too drunk.
Yeah, but I'm not too drunk.
No, but they
So,
but they think so. If they think so, then that's it.
Yeah, of course.
That's it.
But
You better just move along.
When
You
I'm
better just move along.
yeah, but when I'm in
Just
Norway,
end
I
like
usually
that.
get like
Yeah, I know. And you get like
just like that.
an explanation.
But they think you're too
Why?
drunk.
I'm not sure.
We have a good time and you destroy it.
Guys. Hey, guys.
You're responsible, okay? This is your responsibility. My responsibility.
Kom igen, Paul. Hey, guys. No. Those guys, they're the guys in charge. No, hey.
He's the guard.
Hey. No. Listen to me. Listen to me.
He's a guard. He can talk.
Yeah,
He can talk.
Yeah. Hey. Listen to me.
Yeah.
They're the guys in charge.
Yeah, I know.
They're the guys in charge.
I know. But let me
So,
talk.
no. No discussion is needed.
What's he gonna do then?
No. He's not gonna do anything.
No, I'm just gonna talk to him.
But
But
trust
that
me.
fucking
No.
mouth. Yeah.
Trust me.
Yeah.
If he were to do anything, he's got like 5 monkeys.
I don't fucking care about monkeys.
No.
I'm a fucking
No.
monkey myself, you know?
No, they're the guys in charge.
Yeah.
They say
They don't do their job.
They say you're too drunk. That's it. It's
Yeah.
no use arguing.
But
it's no use fighting
it's-
because they will win. They will win the argument and they will win the fight.
Not the fight.
No,
No.
they
They won't. They won't.
trust me.
No, trust me. They
No.
won't.
You're
You
great.
don't know me.
No,
I know about my weight, but
Yeah, no.
I've been
know.
fighting like
Dude.
yeah.
They're 2 men.
No, they're not.
They do like this, and they're like 8 people on.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck about 8 people.
Dude.
No, but you don't know about me.
No, I don't care. I don't care. I can see you're in fucking great.
Yeah, I know I lift weight, of course. Yeah, of course.
You're
But you don't know that I'm a world champion in kickboxing. You don't know that.
I know you can fuck people up,
Yeah.
but you don't have to. Because if you fuck,
No, I just want to talk to him. Because he fucking...
Dude, if you
Yeah.
fuck up a bouncer,
Yeah,
the police will come.
yeah.
They have
But it's
guns.
not about me.
No,
I just wanna know what him come in, you know?
They deem you.
I'm not drunk.
No.
But they think he is.
Yeah, they think that Pat is too drunk.
Yeah, but I don't
And
know
then-
why. Did you
No,
say
I-
he's too drunk?
No,
But
you
what
know-
explanation?
You
It's
know
just
what?
like he's been drinking too
no
much.
explanation. Their job is saying, like, you're too drunk, you're not too drunk. They think Pat is too drunk, and that's it. They don't want to fight you. I'm sure you can fuck them up. You can fuck them up, but they do not want to fight you.
I know.
And they don't want to fight Patrick.
Okay, I don't want to start any trouble.
No.
You're a great guy. I want to shake your hand, yeah? I don't want to do anything stupid.
No.
In front of you guys, you know?
Yeah, man.
I'm with him. I'm his teammate, you know?
But
I understand.
They
I
think
understand.
you're too drunk.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, I understand.
That's it, man.
Yeah. It's in Norway too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No
Yeah.
need for fighting.
Yeah.
You're
Yeah, but I understand. I understand. Thank you.
What he said.
You know what? It's okay. They think you're too drunk,
Also you.
and that's it.
Also you
That's
and
just
me.
it.
Yeah.
No need arguing. No need fighting. They think you're too drunk, and that's it. Go home to the hotel, and I'll see you in the morning. You're
So good.
Oh, you can go to another bar. I don't
Hey,
care.
do you want a cigarette?
Yeah, sure,
Let me
man.
get one.
Yeah, sure, man.
Smart.
But
Also you.
these are the guys in charge. It's no use fighting it.
Let me get one.
If
All
you
right.
insist.
Who do we got? Who do we got?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that was braggy. This got fucking intense, man. I did not expect this to happen. This got fucking intense on fucking live stream. These guys are doing a fucking great job. Braggy's one drunk motherfucker. Oh, what the fuck, man? Yeah, we got Dutchman, we got Bob, we got Pepper. Yeah. Do you usually smoke?
Oh,
I
I don't usually smoke.
We got Braggy. We got Braggy.
I'm
We
just
got-
too drunk, man.
What what did you finish?
I finished last.
No.
I'm like last. I finished
This is
last.
Bragstad.
I finished last, man.
And we got Pekla here.
I
Pekla
suck.
Pekla
Bragstad.
I finished it
Brag,
fast.
Brags, that sucks.
No.
Big love.
Bragstad is
Big
fucking.
Pekla is better than
Braggy told
Bragstad.
me that he is staying on with THR full time.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
all on you, Bob.
Yeah.
That's all on you, Bob.
Yeah,
You're the man.
Bob's the man. I'm staying teacher. I'm gonna get some jam wins and like.
Hey, guys, see here, see here.
Yeah, we're gonna take a selfie. Hey, Pekla! Right, man.
I'm staying with Bircha. Bircha's the man.
I know, man.
Oh
Bircha
yeah,
is the
100%. Bircha,
115%.
don't fuck with Bircha.
No, you don't fuck with the Bircha.
No,
You don't fuck with the Bircha.
he's the man. He's the man. 100%.
So who we got in? We got Mofet, we got Dutchman, we got Bob, we got Pepper. All right, man. This is awesome. So we've been here drinking since they picked us up at a party bus. I won't be going inside because it's super fucking loud in there. We had like a party bus with like
We
stripping
just
poles.
got kicked out.
Yeah, Braggy's too drunk.
What the fuck? I'm not drunk.
Well,
I'm not drunk.
they're the guys.
not drunk.
They're the guys in charge.
Fuck, I'm
And
not drunk.
and that's like it. That's it, man.
I'm not drunk.
No. You could be the soberest motherfucker in the world, but if the bouncers say you're drunk, you're drunk.
Exactly.
And that's just it.
That's so
just it.
fucked up.
That's just it.
That's so fucked up.
And Braggy's friend here, he's got pecs for days. Look at his pecs. His pecs, they're fucking awesome.
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
ripped.
Yeah, man, he's ripped. If I were gay, I would fucking fuck him. I'm not gay. I'm not gay though. I'm not gay. I don't mind the gays. But I'm not gay. But I like this guy.
Ciao.
I
Yeah.
like this guy.
Ciao,
Yeah.
I don't even know your name. What's your name?
No, Joachim, Jan längst.
Joachim.
Joachim. Yeah, Patrick's buddy, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Joachim
Yeah.
from Norway. Losers.
You know, Patrick is dumb, but I don't think he was so dumb.
Say he
He was
sucks.
thrown out,
Say he
you know?
sucks.
Patrick is
I'm
so
just
drunk
kidding, I'm
tonight.
I
just
suck.
Patrick is so drunk tonight, man.
Pekla, man.
Yeah.
Pekla is one hell of a dude. He's
Yeah.
from Florence.
I'm gonna get so drunk. I'm gonna say, oh
You're gonna find another bar?
Yeah, but we first gonna drink some vodka in a room, and then we're gonna find another bar.
You know
Fuck
what?
this.
You know what?
Fuck
Ju-
this
Just
place.
kill the goddamn
Yeah,
vodka.
fuck this
and
place.
then go to sleep.
Look, I'm gonna get sacked and I'm gonna get him drunk. I swear.
Sag is fucking stupid.
No, it's not.
And then we're gonna wake him up, you know what I'm saying?
Sag is
We're gonna
stupid.
wake him up. Yeah, you know, we're gonna
I-
find another bars. Fuck this. Fuck this. Fuck this love.
Yeah, Dutchman says that Braggy is just slightly drunk.
Fuck this
Oh
love.
man, oh man. But you know what, guys? Thank you so much for this weekend.
Yeah.
You guys are fucking awesome.
Thank you.
You guys are awesome.
Bird shot. Bird shot.
For everything. Food, drinks, everything. Thank you. Doing a fucking great job.
Thank you, man.
Bird shot. Bird shot.
Thank you, Joachim.
Yeah.
Thank you, Patrick.
Yeah, bird shot is the man.
Yeah, they know. They know. They know. Oh my God. Oh, I just made the chat disappear. I don't know. How the fuck do I make the chat reappear? Hold on, guys. Oh, there we are. There we are. Holy shit, man. It was 100% justified. The bouncers kicked Braggy. They kicked CSE. They kicked Zach like 30 minutes ago because he was like, "Woo." But yeah, it was fair. It was fair. I'm fucking drunk as well, but I can hold my liquor. I can hold it. I can hold it, and I'm like this. I'm like this with the bouncers. But you know what? Earlier this evening, some dude, some bartender started fucking kicking this guy's ass, and some of the G-Dude guys thought that it was some of the players. So he like got between it all, and that bartender dude, he was like fucking pissed at the G-Dude guy. Oh my God, man, it was insane. So, Dutchman, how did you like Zach's shout out? I don't think anybody but me and you got it. Yay! And by the way, your mom is a slut, and I banged her. I banged her tonight. She's here in Stockholm, and I banged her like 6 times. No, I'm lying. I'm lying. I'm lying. I'm only good for once. One time. But in fact, I banged her once. I banged her once, man. I banged her once. You know, she's one dry motherfucker. I had to bring the loop. No, man, I'm sorry. Yanni, you're one fucking hell of a dude. You're one fucking hell of a dude. Hold on, my wife sent me a picture.